Welcome back to my workshop. Well, we're not in the workshop, we're in the dining room and we've got a window to decorate. So I've got myself some spray snow because it's Christmas and I'm going to decorate the window. I've quickly done a design on some paper. Now what I used was a roll of wallpaper lining paper. I just stuck two pieces of that together. I've drawn a rough outline and I've stuck that on the outside of the window. So what I'm going to do now is put some spray snow on the window and see if I can make a Christmas scene. Right, I'll put you on time lapse, just watch the fun. Right, so that's about it. It's Christmas time. I've now got a snowy window. It's not fantastic, it's not professional standard, but it's Taken me 2 cans of this, little bit of work, no problem at all. I think it looks all right. We've got a nice little bridge here, got a few Christmas trees, a little house and a flying snow thingy. All right, okay, nothing you can't do. Give it a shot. All right, thank you very much for watching and a happy Christmas. Bye.